Creating a sales landing page involves designing a focused, compelling web page aimed at converting visitors into customers. Here's a brief guide. Define the objective. Determine the specific goal of the landing page, such as capturing leads, promoting a product, or driving sales. Choose a platform. Select a website builder or landing page platform like WordPress, Unbounce, Leadpages, or Wix. Design the layout. Keep the design clean and visually appealing. Use a single column layout to direct focus. Craft a compelling headline. Write a clear and engaging headline that addresses the visitor's pain point or offers a solution. Create engaging content. Include concise and persuasive copy highlighting the benefits of your product or service. Use bullet points for readability. Add high-quality images and videos. Visuals should support the text and showcase the product effectively. Include a strong call to action. Use a prominent, action-oriented CTA button. Build trust. Add testimonials, reviews, or trust badges to establish credibility. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text for images to improve search engine visibility. Test and publish. Preview the page, test its functionality, and ensure it's mobile-friendly. Publish the page and promote it through various channels.